Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Kesavani, fourth year law student from Galgotia University. I'm doing internship under WPS. Now you would be wondering what is WPS. So WPS stands for Women Power Society. WPS is a non-political and social organization and it has nothing to do with any political parties. This organization was created 10 years ago and still we are working. WPS aim to create the future of women and children, and for this we all have to unite and make the youth aware, promote women empowerment so that more and more women can be at their feet and become self-dependent for themselves as well as for their families. This internship I have taken the topic domestic violence. So let's start. As all of us knows what is domestic violence, but the question arises, do we actually know? Well, let me explain you. Domestic violence can be described as the power misused by adult in a relationship to control another. Yes, you heard it right. To control another. It is the establishment of control and fear in a relationship through violence and other form of abuse. This violence can be in physical assault, social abuse, financial abuse, or sexual assault. Under domestic violence, we have many acts. That can be Section 304 under IPC, Family Law, Human Rights, or Women Legal Aid, or Labor Law, and so on. I would like to talk on one act, that is the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. This act says that any act, conduct, omission, or commission that harms or injures or has the potential to harm will be considered as the domestic violence by law. Domestic violence can be done with both men and women. However, most commonly the victim are women, especially in our country, that is India. Even in the United States, it has been reported that 85% of all violent crime experienced by women are cases of intimate partner violence compared to 3% of violent crime experienced by men. Thus, domestic violence in India context mostly refer to domestic violence against women. Domestic violence against women is an age-old phenomenon. Women were always considered weak, vulnerable, and in a position to be exploited. Violence has long been accepted as something that happened to women. Abusers may feel that they need to control their partner because of self-low extreme jealousy.